Sir, how much the age and the technical qualification of a person affect their answers and your assessment of that individual?
See, obviously, I mean, कभी एनडीए का कैंडिडेट आता है, he is what around 17, 17 and a half. You have to grant him his innocence. You have to grant him that his exposure to the world and the ways of the world is not that much. You also have to grant him that his understanding of various events and issues will not be that deep. He will carry in his mind a lot of fantasies and imaginations. You have to grant him all that. You cannot be very strict with him. And you also got to see that he's a young mind which is capable of being molded much more effectively and easily as compared to a candidate of say 25, 26 years of age. So, and also that younger lot, their knowledge domain will be somewhat restricted. As long as they studied well up to their class 12th and understood whatever were their subjects, and commensurate with their age, if they have a decent enough information of the environment, they have put in decent enough efforts in various uh, fields of activity that a child is expected to be engaging in as he is developing as an individual, that's fine. They need not think of giving very elaborate answers and such like things. Whereas when you have older candidates, you expect greater maturity, greater understanding and depth of understanding, and greater domain knowledge, especially for the candidates who are coming from technical fields, engineers, etc.
Right.
So obviously, a lot more is expected from them, because in their case, as you grow older, the personality tends to
Right.
sort of set in that you get into that mold, and trainability also, as we are aware, somewhat reduces. So these are the things that are kept in mind. You can't judge candidates of different ages by the same yardstick. The yardstick is somewhat flexible in that manner.
Sir, in that same yardstick, if we talk about क्या repeaters और freshers में भी वो फर्क रहता है?
रिपीटर्स और फ्रेशर में फ़र्क ये रहता है कि रिपीटर्स जो हैं, अगर स्पेशली अगर उन्होंने स्टेज 1 क्लियर कर लिया है और उसके पूरा एसएसबी किया, दे हैव द बेनिफिट ऑफ familiarity with the system and the system of testing. And that familiarity obviously should give them an edge. But sometimes you find that candidates coming again and again, they don't seem to have sort of taken advantage of that advantage.
Right.
It happens many times, and they will come again and again without having fresh input into their personality and expecting different results. And repeaters are also sometimes victims of myths they carry with them.
Right.
Though even freshers can have carry myths with them. So yes, repeaters have the advantage of familiarity with the system.